was wow, like I didn't expect it, especially. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing a very simple makeup. I'm actually going out. It's a Saturday morning, so I'm just gonna, you know, go ahead and do my brows off camera. And I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I'm gonna come back and just do my whole face. I'm already done with my brows. My face is moisturized, but I am not gonna be priming and all of that stuff. Because I'm gonna be using this foundation that will last me. It's the Maybelline Matte Fit Me Poreless Normal to Oily in 360 Mocha. I'm just gonna use that all over my face. This foundation is darker than my skin tone, but highlight and contour, it all comes together. So we are good. Using these two shades to highlight my face. This is just like my quickie makeup because I'm almost out of time. Okay, not like out of time, but I'm getting late, and I don't want to arrive late yet. Like getting late. I'm using a damp sponge to apply this. I don't want to conclude that I'm having a bad brow day, but I'm not feeling my brows. Reverse contour. To sort of set my highlight, I'm using this banana powder, not banana, but you guys already know the mixture of this powder. I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you know what's up in here. And I'm using the same sponge to apply that powder. Mind you, my sponge is damp and I'm not baking. I'm just going to press this into my skin. It helps a lot because I did not prime my face, so this will definitely help my makeup as well. I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow to contour my face, using this brown shade to contour my face. This has been like the only palette I've been wishing out for. Like the only palette I've been wishing out for every single time I want to do makeup. Look, so yeah, I'm gonna use this shade. I'm just going all over my knee. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this mascara and just put it on my, try to make my lashes more visible because of what the eyeshadow did to my lashes. I love this lashes, like this mascara like so much. It gets into all your inner corners, all your love. To highlight my face, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This thing has fallen like how many times, and I'm gonna be using this shade and this shade to highlight my face. Celebrate you, ma. I can hear you. Celebrate you, ma. No. I'm getting ready to go, but I'm not there yet. Problem. Oh. Alright. I will call you when I get there. So just for some drama on my tear that I'm gonna take this shade and just put that on my, to just make my eye look more awake. I think I love how this makeup is just looking like, I love it. My favorite lip combo, I'm gonna take one of my favorite black pencil and just line my lip. And I'll try not to overline it today because I want my lip to look extremely small. I'm using this setting spray from Kiss Beauty, and I'm gonna spray it on my sponge and just put it all over my face. But before I go in and do that, I'm gonna use my face powder to just blend my whole face, and I'm gonna be using my Avon, the pressed powder in the shade Fern. Please ignore this stuff. I need to clean my stuff. So this is what I do. Can you see how this part looks so skin-like, and you can tell the difference. It dries up almost immediately. This is it for this makeup tutorial, and I know I've really not been posting as I should be, but guys, just pardon me. I will try and posting as regular as I should be posting. Yes. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on my social media platform. They're gonna be down in the description bar. Yeah, they're gonna be down in the description bar. Yes, I love you guys more, but God loves you most. It actually look like I should not stop filming because I'm feeling myself. This makeup is so cute. Guys, I didn't show you guys my Shane, you, and I'm just giving you guys the full details. Princess Udori. My baby actually got me this for my birthday. My love. She got me this for my birthday, and I was wow, like I didn't expect it. Especially. I'm loving this two shade vibe I'm wearing. Enough of this. Bye, guys.